everyone? Welcome back to another video. And we have, I'm just gonna turn this on all the way. And we now have the friend event and then this. I think we'll just auto game it right on words, but I'm okay for this because it doesn't really matter. Let's see how far this goes up to. If we get back to 300, that's gonna be crazy. If you don't have this one, yeah, I'm surprised. Bro, you can't get these. I feel like they give you the spins while you're offline, but we have the find one login and then that one quest. But this one came out first. Just like, yeah. So let's claim this, claim and claim, and claim my reward. That yeah, the processing and claim. We'll do a video on like me opening these chests. Wait. Oh, I forgot there's a new coin ton. Alright, laser. Pew. Shoot out a laser to deal massive damage to an enemy. Alright, let's do it. Oh, kind of a little boring. Oh, okay. No movement. No. I mean, this one's better than the lobby one, so yeah. I thought it was gonna be like a skinny laser. You just move it around with your camera view. So it'd be better than using the shift one. It's just one straight laser like that really does. Yeah. Okay. Good, but not too good, but it is good though. Okay, but what is going on? I've been lagging for so much for some reason. Like, bro, look at that lag. It's like, I don't know. See, like, bro. What's with the lag? I have no clue what's with the lag. Because it just happens out of nowhere. I see a spider like here, but it's not even. Alright, I'm getting out of here. See, it keeps saying processing. So whatever. So now we have the hockey or farm. Okay. Inspire friends to go kayaking, collide with enemies to do. Yeah, make up for it. Check it out. Wow. Let's see how this works. By the description, kind of looks like, oh wow, it's just kind of like Mingle. Why are we flying? Yo, bro, why would we just fly? So it's kind of like Mingle, but it doesn't grab people. We're just flying, bro. So like you can do like a collision, people use it really fast. Okay, but get out. I mean, get away. I'm on the front and there's 3 friends. Look at us flying. If I fall, that's something bad for me. How did I end up over here? On the other side. Bruh. So glitchy. It's a flying kayak. Like, Capture Doctor and Godzilla spawn at the same time. Cool. I'm gonna kill Godzilla. Well, I just lost my kayak. You can have that. Why are people just like, oh, it's just crazy. Bang. Yo! He's in the air? And that just happened? What? And how did I just dash off? Okay, that time lag did not want to save me though. Sit down, Ty. That is my goal. You already know what I'm telling you. And now we have rock, paper, scissors, RPS. Play rock, paper, scissors, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to fun winning. Alright. I know. Let's do this. And then we will rock. Did I just one-shot him? No way, I just one-shot him, bro. So is it like random though? Is it like random? Or is it not random? I don't know. It's just like I just one-shot him, bro. Are you trying to play rock, paper, scissors? Does it make you always win? Make you always win? Cause I don't know. I don't even know what should be my thumbnail. A kayak one or me playing rock, paper, scissors? Or should I do both? Yeah, I think I'll just do the kayak one. I didn't play rock, paper, scissors. Shoot, what's on what? No. Dang it. I died. That sucked. But yeah. Scissors shoot. Okay, how come that time I didn't do massive damage? That's kind of weird. Cooldown's kind of short, kind of long. Is that not pretty safe? Oh wait, it's gone. Would be just yelling. We both chose wrong. I think that was. Oh, no. You're good. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a short one. But hey, it's talking about videos are showing. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. This whole video is all showing over this video. Recently. Yeah. But that's it for this video, guys. Let's hope it understand. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.